What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So in this video we're going to be going through the Copart 2015 Chevy Sonic. We're going to be pulling out the interior. We're going to be scrubbing and cleaning the carpets, the seats. We're going to do a lot of work, and we're going to get some chemical burns on our hands because we didn't follow the directions for OxyClean. But nonetheless, we're going to get this interior ripped out. We're going to do our best to clean it up, put it back together, and watch the rest of the video to see how it turned out. I said it before, it takes a lot of dedication. I need a garage, but as you can see, it's a winter wonderland out here, and it is getting pretty nasty yet again. So let's take a look. We have removed the back seat, we have removed the front seats, we've removed the fuses to the airbag system. I removed the clock spring fuse, and I removed the airbag fuse because these seats do have side airbags, and probably should have disconnected the battery, but it's cold. I got the heat on to try to stay a little warmer. This is what the carpet looks like. Honestly, I think a lot of you that said we could clean this up may be right. I'll be quite honest with you, I didn't think we would be able to, but I figured it'd make for a good video. And you know, now that I'm looking at it, I got some OxyClean, I got some Purple Power. I think we're going to be able to clean this up. If not, you know, it'll still make for a good video. So let's take a look in the garage. Excuse the mess. It's not big. I don't have a lot of room in here. But you come in here, and this is the room where basically you just sit and get warm in front of that old school heater. You walk into here, it's basically the sitting room for the garage, if you will. So here we've got the front seats, we've got the part that, you know, the shelf that covers the hatch. Over here we've got the upper parts of the back seat. And over here we have the actual back seat. And then we have the carpet that covers the floor of the trunk that covers the spare tire, and we've got a shop vac way back there. We got a couple buckets, we got some OxyClean, we got some brushes. We are going to get started on this, and let's see if we can bring these back to life. Alright, so as you can see, the carpet came out pretty damn nice. I'm actually really surprised with how well the interior came out. And yeah, look at this. This is what I'm out here working in. This is my little place in the country. Couple acres of land. We're about to start wiping down the interior, all the plastics, cleaning the windows, center console, dashboard, things of that nature. The seats are almost dry. Look at this. Doesn't even look like the same car anymore. It's not perfect, but you guys saw what it was earlier. It's pretty impressive. Let's get back to it. Alright, so let me tell you, this car is exhausting. Whew. Here's what she looks like. It's looking a whole lot better, right? I know a lot of you didn't think the carpet would come out, and I'll be honest with you, I didn't think any of it was going to come out. I thought this thing was done for and I was going to have to replace the entire interior. But as you can see, this thing came out nice. Wait till you see the seats. I'm about to get those installed. Is this car ever going to be perfect? Not a chance. That's why it's used. That's why I paid half of what it books for. Let's get it back together. Look at this shit. Homeless living in a car. We got a torch and a damn crack pipe. People smoking meth. Wow. How about that?
How about that? How about that? How about that?
Look at this. 50,000 miles, who does this to a car? I mean, it needs a new interior. I don't even think the interior is salvageable. Look at this. You guys remember the Chevy Sonic, right? Well, you guys were right. You told me that the interior would come clean with some scrubbing, and it did. I am impressed. OxyClean did an amazing job. I'm blown away. I did not think this interior was salvageable. I was ready to go buy a parts car just to replace the interior. And you guys said, Uberman, don't worry about it. Just scrub it and it'll come clean. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. I've got a little touch up to do, as you can see right here. I'll hit this again. You can see I didn't get all the OxyClean off right there. It left a stain. I will get that cleaned off. But wow. And this has had a chance to dry too, and I can see I missed a lot of OxyClean right here and a lot right here. This will come off. This just needs to be gotten wet. Right here, there's some OxyClean. So I'll go over these again. I thought I got it all off, but it's one of those things where it's difficult to see until it's dry. But, you know, I think hitting it one more time with some fresh water will really do the trick. The car cleaned up great. I mean, look at these carpets. Yeah, I guess they still look kind of dirty, but that's just loose debris that needs to be vacuumed out. The back carpets were the worst. These were the ones that I didn't think were going to come out at all, and they did. In fact, on this side, this carpet was solid. What you're seeing there is a shadow. That's not actually dirt. That's a shadow. But this back carpet was solid, like grease covered it. The whole carpet was solid, and it's not like that anymore. It does need vacuumed really, really well to get all. There's a lot of loose, like sand or something all over. We'll need to get that vacuumed out. But other than that, this thing came out absolutely amazing. So thank you guys for the tips on the OxyClean. It smells wonderful. It looks wonderful. Alright, so that's going to do it. There's going to be more videos coming. I'm going to clean the headliner. I'm going to do a video showing you guys how to clean a headliner without damaging it. We've got some new tires, 65,000 mile Grand Touring Coopers that'll be here today. We're going to get installed. Got them for a total price of $288 from Discount Tire Direct on eBay. We've got an airbag light. Airbag light is from the passenger side PPM. That's the passenger presence monitoring sensor that's built into the seat. That may require the seat being replaced entirely. It's a big job to tear the cover off and replace that sensor. So we may end up having to replace the entire seat on the passenger side to fix the airbag. And then we have a code for the OnStar system. The backup battery in the OnStar module is dead. And that's a one-time use thing. They're not rechargeable. Once they die, they die. So we're going to do a video about replacing the backup battery module on the OnStar system. The only purpose for the backup battery module is in the event you're in a severe collision that disables power to the vehicle, cuts the battery, cable, something like that. That sends out a satellite signal and requests assistance, gives GPS location and everything. So it sounds like it's not anything important, but that backup battery is actually very important. If you're in the middle of nowhere and you have a serious accident, if that battery is shot, you may not get help, and that could mean the difference between life and death. So the car is really coming together. We got some more stuff to do to it. I'm getting remote start installed on it. Hopefully in a week or so, GM is installing the factory remote start. I'm going to be pulling the driver steering wheel airbag and the steering wheel, and we're going to be installing cruise control in this myself. So we got some more projects coming, so stay tuned. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.